For today's class, I will use a 2mm wire, 100% cotton, and a 5M 2-stitch crochet needle. Let's start by making the magic ring. And then I will make 2 more chains, totaling 3 currents. I tie the needle twice. Introduction to the magic ring. I look for the wire, loop and pull on 2 loops forming treble crochet. Let's do it here inside the magic ring. A total of 5 treble crochet. After making all the points, work 7 chains. I tie the needle twice. I go back inside the magic ring and work on a treble crochet. I make 4 chains. I tie the needle twice and work 1 more treble crochet. I make 7 chains. Closure or magic ring. I insert the needle into the first treble crochet, and I work here at a slip stitch. I make a chain, and before continuing, I'm going to do the initial wire leftover rounding. Here in the same space where I made the chain, I will work 1 more single crochet. Wire loop, and in the same space, work a double crochet. Now at the next point, let's work 2 double crochet. It will be 2 double crochet to the same point from the base. At the next point, I will do 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet at the same point. In the next point, I make 2 double crochet in the same point. And at the next work point 1, double crochet. And 1 single crochet at the same point. So here at the beginning, we made 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. After 2 double crochet, 3 points, 2 high points, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet. To continue, here within the space of currents, I will work 1 half double crochet. I tie and pull all the handles, and here inside this space, I will work 8 single crochet. After making all the single crochet, work 3 chains. I tie the needle twice, here on top of the treble crochet of the previous row. Work a treble crochet. Within the space of currents, I will work 5 treble crochet, After doing the 5 treble crochet, let's tie for 2 times and work 1 treble crochet on top of the same point from the base of the previous row. I make 3 chains. Within the space of currents, let's go to work. 8 single crochet. After making all the single crochet, let's finish by making 1 half double crochet loop. I am looking for thread. I pull all the handles at once. We can finish by making a slip stitch. Here at the first single crochet, or finish with tapestry needle. I'm going to do a color change. I will use the purple color. I do in the slide. I leave it on the needle. Loop. Just insert it into the back handle. Here at the last single crochet. And work a double crochet. This way, I show it here in the video. I come back on the same strap and make another 1 double crochet. I skip the 3 chains. I come on top of the treble crochet of the previous row and work 7 single crochet. 1 point for each point. I skip all 3 loop currents. I insert the needle here at this first single crochet. And I work here 2 double crochet at the same point as the base. And on this turn, we are working only on the back handles of each one of the points. At the next point, we will make 2 half double crochet. At the next point, only work 1 half double crochet. And now let's start 1 sequence of single crochet until you get there near the other side. So let's make 23 single crochet, being 1 point for each point, taking only the handle behind each of the points. Ready, coming very close to the lock. Let's finish making 1 half double crochet here at the next point. And on the last point, we will work on 2 half double crochet on the same strap as the base. Insert the needle into the first double crochet. I make a slip stitch to close this turn. To continue, let's start by making 1 current, 1 single crochet at the same base point. 2 chains. We can enter a marker here. In the first stream, loop, I jump 1 point from the base. In the next point, inserting the needle into the 2 stitch loops. Work a double crochet. I make a chain, 2 loops. I jump 1 point from the base. At the next point, work a double crochet. Here you can make 3 separation chains as well. Let's work this way until the end of the lap. Here at the end, I insert the needle into the second. In the first stream, and I make a slip stitch. To continue, you can start with 3 chains. Or do what we did in previous career to start. One current, 1 single crochet. On this first point, 1 gully. Here inside the current space, I will work to double crochet. You can work 3 double crochet. If you have made 3 chains in the previous row, insert the needle. At the next double crochet, share a double crochet. Let's work this way for the whole career, doing 2 to 3 double crochet within the space of currents, and a double crochet on top of the double crochet. I finish with the tapestry needle or a slip stick on the first point. I do a color change. Now change to base color. Insert the needle into any of the points. I am looking for thread. I make 1 single crochet. At the next point, also work 1 single crochet. I make 2 chains. Insert the needle into these 2 single crochet loops. I make a slip stitch, forming the picot stitch. Work 2 single crochet, 1 point for each point. After 2 chains, a slip stitch, picking up these 2 straps from the single crochet. And so we work all around, doing this finish. This is the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful cup holder, which also serves as wall decoration for Witch's Day or Halloween. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to leave your like. Thank you very much for watching me. See you here and see you next.